Dear children, good morning to all. I hope you are all well and good. Today class is Maths for Grade 5, Chapter 3, How Many Squares, Part 2. At last class, what we seen? Perimeter. What does mean perimeter? The total distance around the edges of a plane figure is called its perimeter. Once again I repeat it. The total distance around the edges of a plane figure is called its perimeter. Today we are going to discuss about missing length. Find the missing length in each of the following. Look at the diagram. X, Y, Z, and then one side alone it's mentioned in that value 3 centimeter. What is the shape? Rectangle. Yes children. And then perimeter of the rectangle, it is already given 16 centimeter. We have to find out the values of X, Y and Z. Okay children, look at the solution. Perimeter of the rectangle, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Breadth value, it is given 3 centimeter. This length consider as X. Write it as perimeter of the rectangle, how much it is given already? 16 is equal to 2 into X plus 3. Listen carefully children. This 2 is in multiplication. Yes or no children? Yes. This multiply will come equal sign before. That sign will be changed in opposite sign. So this multiply will change the sign into division. So this 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to X plus 3. Here, how many 2's are there in 16? 8 2's are 16. How many 2's are in 16? 8 2's are 16. Yes. And then is equal to X plus 3. This plus 3 equal sign before it will come, that sign will be changed in opposite sign. Plus will be changed in minus 3. Plus 3, that sign will be changed in minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to X. So that X value, what is that? X is equal to 5 centimeter. It is that opposite sides of the rectangles are similar. Already we found out X is equal to 5 centimeter. And then this side also 5 centimeter. And then Y value, what is that? 3 centimeter. Okay children. Look at the solution. X is equal to Z is equal to 5 centimeter. Opposite sides of the rectangle, that is length. And then Y is equal to 3 centimeter. Opposite sides of the rectangle, it is breadth. Shall we move on the next sum? Yes. Look at the diagram. What is the shape? Square. This also mentioned one side alone 3 centimeter. And then X, Y, Z, we have to find out that values. What is the perimeter of the square? It is given 12 centimeter. Look at the solution. Perimeter of the square. What is the formula? 4 into sides. 4 into sides. Yes. Perimeter of the square 12 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. This 4 equal sign before it will come. What will happen? That sign will be changed in that opposite sign. This multiply is changed into division. So 4 into multiply is changed into division by 4. So 12 centimeter divided by 4 is equal to side. How many 4's are there in 12 centimeter? 3 4's are. 3 4's are 12. 3 centimeter is equal to side. Each side of the square is equal to 3 centimeter. So what is the answer? X, Y, Z is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay children. And then next one. Look at that word problem. Perimeter of the square is 200 centimeter. What is given? Perimeter of the square is 200 centimeter. You have to find out that length of its sides in meters. What is given? Perimeter of the square. How much it is given? 200 centimeter. What is the formula? Perimeter of the square? 4 into side is equal to 200 centimeter. This 4 into equal sign, after it will move on, that sign will be changed in that opposite sign. This multiply will change into division. So that side is equal to 200 divided by 4 centimeter. Look at the division. This 2, it will not divide in 4. So take this 2 digit. What is that number nearby 2? 0. So 20. How many 4s are there in 20? 5 4s are 20. Yes. 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. And then one more 0 is there. Right in that up. So what is that quotient? You got it? 50 centimeter. So side how much centimeter you got it? 50 centimeter. This unit centimeter, write it as meter. Look at that. The side of the square, since already we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Already we found that side of the square is 50 centimeter. We can write it as half meter. Okay children. And the next one. The perimeter of the rectangle is 160 meter. If the length of the rectangle is 20 meter, find the breadth of the rectangle. Look at the solution. Perimeter of the rectangle, how much it is given? 160 meter. Length of the rectangle, 20 meter. Breadth we have to find. And then look at that. What is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle? P is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of the rectangle, how much it is? 160 is equal to 2 into length 20 plus B. This 2 is in multiply. This equal sign before it will come. That sign will be changed in opposite sign. This multiply will change into division. So 160 divided by 2 is equal to 20 plus B. How many 2's are there in 160? Do that division. 160 divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 16? 8 2's are 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Already we got it. Remainder is 0. The 0 will come in that up. That is quotient. So how much you got it? 80. 80 is equal to 20 plus B. This is plus 20. It will come equal sign before. That sign will be changed in opposite sign. Plus it will be changed into minus 20. So 80 minus 20 is equal to B. So B how much? 80 minus 20 is 60. So the breadth of the rectangle how much? It is 60 meter. Okay children. And the next topic is tiling. What does mean tiling? When we fit individual tiles together with no gaps or overlaps to design a flat surface like a ceiling, wall or floor, we call it tiling. Okay children. Look at that. Extend each of the following tiling pattern on the grid. Also write the area and perimeter of the individual tile used in each designs. The distance between two dots is 1 centimeter. The distance between two dots is how much centimeter? It is 1 centimeter. This area means the region enclosed by a closed plane figure. That is the region enclosed by a closed plane figure. It's called area. The area of square of side 1 unit is 1 square unit. Okay children, what is that? The area of a square of side 1 unit is 1 square unit. Look at that. Side of each square, how much it is? The distance between two dots, how much centimeter it is given? 1 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter. The area of each square. The area of each square. That means 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 centimeter square. Number of squares in one individual tile. Consider this tile. How many number of squares? 1, 2, 3, 4 and between 5. Number of squares in one individual tile is equal to 5. That area of an individual tile. That means 5. 5 individual tile is there. So 5 into 1. That area of one square of side 1 unit is, that is 1 square unit. Yes. So 5 ones are is equal to 5 centimeter square. Perimeter of an individual tile. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter of an individual tile is equal to 12 centimeter. And then look at the next pattern. Complete this. Side of each square is equal to 1 centimeter. Yes, the number of square is an individual tile. Consider this tile. Number of squares. How many it is? 2. So that area of an individual tile is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 2. That is 2 centimeter square. That perimeter of an individual tile. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many number of? 6. Perimeter of an individual tile is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay children. I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework in your practice workbook. Page number 21 and 24. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you all.